What's up, guys? Finally got my replacement mirrors for the Lancer, so I can finally install the polarized glass. I already unwrapped one and disassembled it, so I'll show you in just a second. So here's the disassembled mirror. Already took out the mirror glass, the mirror cover, which I have to vinyl wrap white, and then the rest of the mirror. So you can't really get replacement mirrors. You kind of have to get OEM or one that has this bracket so you can put on the glass. And this mirror cover, it's not black, it's like this metallic blue. And I don't know if you can see it, but this mirror cover actually has some paint protection film on it. So once I peel that off, it should be pretty immaculate paint underneath. So I'm just gonna peel it off the PPF, clean up the rest of the mirror cover, and then vinyl wrap it white. Alright, so I already replaced the driver's side mirror, and I took out the driver one, so you can see there's a difference between the stock and the polarized one. And you can see that the polarized one is actually a way wider view than the stock one. Turn the car on, and I can adjust the mirror. So yeah, everything works. Now I'm just gonna do passenger side one, and it's a simple install. It's just 3 nuts and then unplug one plug. Alright, got both sides done. I adjusted my mirror. And for anyone asking, the stock ones, I'm definitely going to sell. I don't really have any use for them now. But overall, this was a pretty easy install. You can see the blue mirror matches with the rear view now, and then the driver's side. And that's going to be it for this video. See you in the next one.